Hi folks, welcome back. Today we are at Pioneer Park here in Zolfo Springs, Florida, on the corner of US 17 and Highway 64. I want to take this opportunity to thank everybody who's subscribed so far and gave us all the likes and the views and everything. And today we're just going to have us an adventure here at Pioneer Park.
And I want to say thank you to all my bus kids that subscribed and viewed and watched everything and liked.
Let's go.
Welcome back again. I'm Wendy.
I'm Crystal.
I'm Austin.
And I'm Jordan.
And that's Logan. Right now we're venturing into the camping section of the park. They have 2 or 3 different sections. One of this section that we're walking through is the primitive, basically your tents and whatnot. Set up your own campfires and everything. Back behind me in that area is all the camper and RV spots. They have their own electricity and water hookup and all that good stuff. We walked to the camping site to come to this area. What's this lake called? Rock Lake, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Very cool.
Anybody want to go for a swim?
No. I'm good.
If you look close, you can see an alligator right there. What do you think about the alligators, Logan? What you think, darling? Yeah, I don't think she cares. Did you find something interesting, Logan? Looking at something. We are taking Jordan and Logan to go see the animals here at the Hardy County Wildlife Refuge. What kind of critter is that, Jordan?
That is an ostrich.
That is not an ostrich.
It's an emu.
There you go. Listen to him.
No, he's bald. I don't got hair though. Oh my god. Let's just go.
No coyotes.
They eat people. Oh my god, there's a baby one. Or is that a cat?
That would be a cat.
Yes, that is a cat. That is a coyote.
Logan, what do you think about the
Very cool.
coyotes. Little critters over there.
Did you?
Raccoons.
Where are they at?
Right there in front of you.
Oh my god!
You like the raccoons, baby?
I love raccoons. They're my favorite animal.
Look at Logan, y'all.
It's daytime, so they sleeping.
She likes the raccoons.
I don't know if you can see him, but there is a bear in there somewhere. There he is. Hi, buddy. How you doing, big guy? Hi, big guy. That is a rather large fella. Hi, buddy. How are you doing today?
It's a black bear.
That's what Florida has, black bears.
Oh my god, it's so tiny.
He's hot.
Hi, baby.
All that fur, I can imagine.
Logan, you see the bear? You see the bear, baby?
Look.
It's a bear. That's what you want, the bear.
Look at the bear, baby. Look.
I'd be in there.
That's
With
what
the
I'll
AC.
be, the AC.
What do you think?
You like the bear?
You like the bobcat?
Hey.
You see the kitty froggy?
I used to be a boss.
You're just chilling.
There's a giant one underneath it.
I see the giant one. He's been eating good.
Oh, that's a white-tailed deer.
I think he's been stealing his buddy's victuals. Give a hoot. Don't pollute.
You see the little baby owl? Yeah, look at the little baby owl. Look,
There's one over there.
look at it, Logan.
There's 3 of them.
Logan, look at the little owl. Look at the little owl. Logan, you see him? Look, he's trying to go to sleep. You see the little baby owl? Aww. So
Yeah, I don't think these are real. What do you think? No. If you look right there, that is an alligator.
There's a turtle to your right. Oh my god, something just moved. And there's a frog
Another
over
turtle.
here. Daddy, there's a frog over here.
There's an animal not in a cage.
you see the birdie?
2 more emus.
What do you think, Logan, of the emus?
I don't think that one's real either. And I really hate to see if it was. They sit weird.
They're
Does that mean you can, like, have a
So that was our day at Pioneer Park in Zolfo Springs, Florida. You can follow them on Facebook if you'd like, and leave a comment, like, share, subscribe,
Hit the notification bell so you can get more videos.
and we'll see you on the next video.
See you later.
See ya.